Mike Hardcastle here from Light Tape UK. We recently launched a new product onto the market called Flor Guard, and Flor Guard is designed as a PVC protection for light tape, so people can walk on it on stages, on exhibition stands, on catwalks, and it's designed to carry the light tape. So if I switch it on, you see the light tape just slides straight in and out on the product, so it protects the light tape from heavy foot traffic. As you can see, it's quite flexible and lays flat quite easily. You can actually stick it down with a double-sided adhesive tape like a 3M9088 adhesive, and it will stay in place for semi-permanent type applications, but it can be used in quite long lengths, up to 9 meters long. Two different sizes. There's the narrow size, which takes 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch light tape. We've got the 1/2 inch in at the moment. Then we've got the wider size, which takes 1/2 inch and 1 inch light tape, and you can put multiple strips of 1/2 inch in there, or even put the 1/2 inch on top of the 1 inch to create quite a nice effect. There we go. And you'd stick that down normally with our Aclar clear adhesive tape to keep it in place. But if I switch the lights off, you can see the effect, because we're in quite a bright environment, that you get in darkness or very low level light conditions. Okay, so the main question we've been getting is, how do we create a 90-degree corner on a stage? So I'm going to show you that in just a few seconds. Right, now I've got two pieces of light tape, both with custom connections on the back that make them very low profile. One of the custom connections, I've made it so that the cabling comes out at 90 degrees to the light tape. So if we just tap that down for a second to hold it in place, and you'll see that the cables run at 90 degrees. And then the other piece of light tape can be stuck, and the non-connected end can cover up the connections and also cover up the wiring. So that's how we make a normal sort of 90-degree turn with light tape, and this is how we can make a square or an oblong on a wall or on the floor. So I'll switch the light off, you get a better idea of the effect achievable. There you go. So now, how does that work with the Flor Guard? Okay, I'll just switch the camera off and set that up for you. Won't be a few seconds. So here we've got our two pieces of Flor Guard, and I've cut both with a 45-degree angle on a chop saw, so they just fit together at 90 degrees. And the first piece of light tape we will slide in, just put that roughly in place. The second piece will slide in here, and then as we bring the two together, these can obviously be stuck down to make a semi-permanent arrangement. As we stick those two together, you can see the effect that can be created, and we can reduce the brightness and increase the brightness. And again, as we switch off, you can see the effect there. And that's how to make a 90-degree corner using light tape and Flor Guard. One question we do get asked quite often when we make these videos is, what causes the buzzing noise? And it is caused by the light tape. So if I just turn that up and move the light tape close to the camera, it gets louder, quieter when I take it away. So it's not really caused by the driver, it is purely down to the vibration of the phosphors on the metal ribbon, which create the light, and the vibration of the phosphors make the light tape act as a soundboard, and that's where you get the slight buzzing noise. When we stick the light tape down with a double-sided foam adhesive or any type of double-sided tape or velcro, 90% of the noise just disappears, and in a busy environment like a trade show you're never going to hear that anyway. So that's what causes the noise with light tape.